And now it's time for Reshma's beauty tip of the week. And today I'm going to start by telling you the difference between my classic henna, which looks like this, and my 30-minute henna, which looks like this. Okay. Well, the difference is that they both are made out of the henna plant and they're dried and sifted. What is henna? Henna is a plant. When it's dried and sifted, it has unique properties that it has coloring and proteins that will actually bind the keratin in your hair to make it thicker and stronger. And what it does, it deposits the color on your hair. It actually takes every strand of your hair and coats your hair. So it makes your hair thicker, stronger while depositing color and binding the keratin of your hair. The difference between the classic henna and the 30-minute henna is that the classic henna is made of pure henna and also vegetable extract and coloring and fruit extract and coloring. And our 30-minute henna has some catalysts in it to speed up the process because the classic takes about 3 to 4 hours, and a lot of times, including me, I don't have that kind of time. So I use the 30-minute henna. My color is dark brown, which I use, but of course, because my hair is so dark, it almost looks black. But when you go out in the sunlight, you can see it's actually dark brown. So then what I do is I make sure that I oil my hair at least once or twice a week. Massage it gently in your scalp. It'll feel so good because your dry scalp will get rejuvenated, and all the massages and the oils will help your blood circulation and for your hair to grow back. I also put lots. I'm generous with my oil and put lots at the ends because this is what gets dry. And then I leave it for 30 minutes, or if I have time, even longer, even overnight. It's not going to hurt you, it's going to help you. So use it as often as possible. Then of course I shampoo and condition with the henna shampoo and conditioner. Why is that good? Because it's paraben free, sulfate free. It also helps restore my color for a long time because it doesn't have any of these chemicals. And the last thing that I do is magical, which is my favorite. This is the deep conditioning hair mask, and this is so good for your hair. My hair is very thick and coarse, so I need lots of moisture, and this has got the protein of the henna without the color depositing. Neither does the shampoo or conditioner deposit any color. It just has the protein of the henna to make your hair thicker and stronger. And it also is infused with grapeseed oil, argan oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, provitamin B5. It's so, so good for you. I promise you, try it once in the shower. You can use it as a conditioner and leave it only for a few minutes or even seconds, or you can leave it for a deeper condition and leave it longer, but you'll see a difference right away. So try the Henna Haven bundle because you can choose which henna you want and which products you want. It would make a perfect Mother's Day gift as well. Hope you enjoyed Nature's Best Kept Secrets. I'll see you next time.